Cosmic Connections, Tales from Glitteron. Welcome to Tethi's Tiny Treasures. Hey there, it's Tethi, your friendly alien storyteller. Get ready for a galaxy of fun, laughter, and heartwarming stories that spark imagination. If you love adventures, learning, and a sprinkle of magic, hit that subscribe button and join our cosmic family. Let the storytelling begin. Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a curious and friendly alien named Elio. Elio belonged to a tiny planet called Glitteron, where everything sparkled and shimmered with vibrant colors. On Glitteron, the inhabitants were known for their love of learning and sharing knowledge. Elio, with his big round eyes and shimmering green skin, was different from the others. He had an insatiable curiosity about the universe beyond Glitteron. One day, he decided to embark on an adventure that would not only teach him valuable lessons, but also share an important message with kids on Earth. Elio's journey began when he discovered a magical portal that transported him to Earth. As he landed in a cozy little town, Elio marveled at the diversity of the planet and the wonderful creatures that inhabited it. He soon encountered a group of children playing in a park, and being the friendly alien he was, decided to join them. Elio quickly became friends with the kids, who were fascinated by his unique appearance and his tales of Glitteron. However, he noticed that the children were facing challenges in their everyday lives, such as not getting along with others who were different from them. To help the kids understand the importance of acceptance and unity, Elio shared stories from Glitteron, where diversity was celebrated. He taught them that just like the different colors of Glitteron made it beautiful, the diversity on Earth made it a unique and wonderful place. As Elio spent more time with the children, they learned about teamwork, friendship, and the joy of embracing differences. They soon realized that their unique qualities and skills, just like Elio's, made their little community stronger and more vibrant. After spending a magical time on Earth, Elio bid farewell to his new friends and returned to Glitteron. The children, now filled with a deeper understanding of unity and acceptance, continued to spread the lessons they learned from their alien friend. The moral of the story: diversity is a beautiful thing that makes our world richer and more interesting. By embracing our differences and working together, we can create a harmonious and vibrant community, just like the magical planet of Glitteron. Farewell, dear friends of Tethi's Tiny Treasures. As our intergalactic journey comes to a close, I want to thank each and every one of you for sharing this space with me. Your laughter, curiosity, and bright spirits have made our time together truly magical. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and may your days be filled with joy and wonder. Goodbye for now, and remember, the adventure never truly ends. With interstellar love, Tethi.